Hi, welcome to FilesDNA tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to add fingerprint security option. Click on your profile and select User Verification. Select option Security Settings. Here you can manage your user security. We have a lot of great options to choose from. In this video I will show you how to add fingerprint. Before you click on Verify, make sure you are signed in FilesDNA app on your mobile. If you use iPhone and don't have fingerprint option, FilesDNA will automatically request Face ID instead. Click on Verify. The system will automatically request Face ID request. Now you have two options to choose from. You can secure your PDF documents and secure your saved signatures. We will go ahead with option 1 and submit. Well done. You have added the fingerprint security option. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.